Are you struggling to track and communicate your business performance? Looking for ways to bridge the gaps and to drive and deliver high-yielding results? Here's a solution. SlideTeam presents a Business KPI Dashboard PPT template designed to simplify complex data and showcase key metrics with ease. Take charge of your business performance and make decisions that rock. Get this Business KPI Dashboard and steer your success toward new horizons. Discover where your website's traffic is coming from, understand user behavior, and reduce bounce rate using this Business KPI Dashboard template. Dive into detailed insights on traffic sources, user types, visitor metrics, and optimize your online presence for maximum impact. This PPT slide showcases pre-built bar graphs highlighting the top 3 channels, campaigns, and pages driving conversions for your business. Emphasize total visits, average session duration, pages per visit, bounce rate, page views, and goal conversion, and more to develop accurate, result-giving strategies. Ready to dominate your industry? Level up your business strategy with our KPI dashboard. Get yours today. From traffic sources to conversions, this all-in-one tool equips you with the right insights for business growth. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.